parents beat
You're
you.
ignorant.
Yes, I'm willing
My
to
parents
prove it.
never beat me about Alhamd.
When you were
ever.
little, how
Not
did
once.
you know then about Islam?
Not once.
How did you?
No. You made a claim.
Yeah.
Your claim is false.
Yeah.
So you're a liar.
Okay.
Because I don't talk to idiots.
Yes.
I don't talk to clowns.
So you're a
and I
doctor,
don't
yes?
talk to liars.
You have degree
And
in
unfortunately,
psychology.
you're all three of them.
Do you know?
Why should I have to?
Because they're killing people.
Why
They're killing.
do you denounce? your?
Why are you asking me?
Exactly. Why are you asking me to denounce
Hamas
anything?
is a terrorist. That's why.
Why? I'm asking you why.
Because he went
Because
up
what?
to the ladders.
Yes,
And
and
so bravely shouting that
Bravely,
Hamas,
that's right.
Israeli is killing and all that.
You're not answering the question. Why are you asking me?
exactly. Why should I condemn anybody?
Because he has a channel, he has
So
a
what?
follower.
So what?
Nothing to do with it.
So why would you think
So
that?
what?
So there's a reason why you're
So
asking
you
that
tell me then.
question.
What is
I
the
don't
why?
have to condemn them. I don't have to condemn
You
anybody.
tell me then.
You know the
I've just
reason.
told you.
I
my
condemn.
reason.
I condemn.
You have no right to ask
Exactly.
that question in the first
Exactly.
place.
Why?
Because I'm not
happened?
responsible for anything, am I?
happened? Why?
Because I'm not responsible for Hamas, am I?
Who
I don't
are you
fund
responsible for?
Hamas. I don't support Hamas.
Yes, you
I have
do.
nothing to do with
Yes,
Hamas.
you do.
So I don't need to.
So why didn't
I
you
don't
do
need
for
to.
the Pakistani
So I don't.
girl?
So I don't need to.
Why don't you do
so
for
I don't-
Iranian girls?
why-
They're getting killed.
Listen.
Why don't you go
listen.
on ladder
Listen.
and defend them?
There's a million different causes and a
Yeah.
million different
But
things.
you only did it for
So
Palestinians.
who says I just did it for Palestinians?
Yes, because we have no.
Well, how do you
video
know?
of you,
What,
no
did I
talks
not
of
speak
you.
out about the Uyghurs?
Uyghurs,
Did
when?
I
When
not
was
speak
that?
about the Yemeni?
No,
Yemeni?
I've never heard.
So you never heard. So what? So what?
So
what?
Why would
Yeah.
you go on the ladder for against
Regardless.
Israelis?
That's my choice to do so.
So it's a choice.
Yes.
So pick and choose.
Yes,
is that
I pick
how
and
it
choose.
is?
Absolutely, yes, I pick
So
and
that's
choose.
prejudice.
No, it's not
Yes,
prejudice.
prejudice.
Do you speak about every atrocity?
Yes, I
I've
do.
never
I
seen.
condemn.
I've never seen you condemn anything.
You've never seen my video.
So
Go
you-
on
so
the
you have-
big nose
so you haven't- so
London,
you
you will
haven't
see.
seen. You haven't seen mine either. So,
Yes, I
So
have.
then
That's
be
what
quiet.
I'm asking
So
you.
then be quiet.
Anyway, is Quran the word of Allah?
I don't have to talk to you.
Yes, why
I'm
not?
I'm not going to talk to
Why
you.
not?
Because you're dressed like a clown. So I don't talk to clowns.
So this is preventing you to answer, to defend your
I don't
Islam.
speak to clowns.
Let's say
I don't care.
that is an excuse to run away.
Well, fine.
I've
then it's an
not
excuse.
swore at you.
Then
I've
it's an
not said a
excuse.
bad thing
Then it's
or
an excuse.
derogatory or
Then it's-
anything
then
like
it's an
that.
excuse. I
Yeah.
don't want to talk to you
Why?
because you're a clown.
Listen to yourself. You're like a childish
Well, you're a
child.
clown. I don't
a
talk to
child.
clowns.
You see, these people, illiterate also,
I don't talk
they're
to
going
clowns.
to put this under YouTube, the title, "Oh, Abbas has won this argument and so on."
Abbas doesn't speak to clowns. Yes.
Oh, Abbas doesn't is clown,
I
yes?
don't speak to clowns.
Abbas, defend your Quran.
I don't need to.
Why?
Alhamdulillah, the Quran
So
defends
why you
itself.
find weak people then?
This is why so many
Why?
Westerners are becoming Muslim.
Everywhere.
We don't need to. You're hungry for conversation.
Yes, I'm
We-
hungry
but-
to defeat
but-
people like
well,
you.
and you defeat yourself when you talk like this.
So you defend yourself.
No, I
then.
don't need to. I don't need to
Sir.
defend myself.
You read Arab. You read Quran in Arabic or
you
in
need to
English?
defend yourself while you dress like this.
Do you read Quran in Arabic or in English?
He takes out papers like as if
He
I'm gonna
does
have
not know
some
anything
discussion.
in Arabic, Quranic at all.
Okay.
Do you, sir?
Okay. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
What does that? That's a basic. Any child would know that.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim.
That is a basic.
It's Arabic, isn't
Okay,
it?
read.
It's Arabic, isn't it?
Al-Baqarah. Read the Baqarah.
Baqarah. What's
Yeah,
Baqarah?
yeah, Al-Baqarah. Yes.
It's not Baqarah.
Read
Talk
that.
about something useful, yeah?
No.
Yeah.
Something useful. Let's talk about
Listen,
Yes.
you're illiterate.
well,
you come to help you. He knows you're weak. That's why he's come to help you.
Sorry.
Listen, can you read Arabic?
I'm not having a conversation
So,
with
ladies
you.
and gentlemen, he only read
I
basic,
don't want to have a
which
conversation with you.
which the parents forced them to learn that basic. What he
Forced
said.
them?
Yes,
Nobody
by
forced
beating
me.
them, by
Oh, by
beating them
beating
to
them.
read that
This is
Surah
why-
Hamd.
This is why.
Hamd, any Muslim or
This is why I
non-Muslim
don't talk
can
to
read that.
clowns.
Read this if you
This
can.
is why I don't talk to
Read
clowns.
this if you can.
Because you see what he just said.
Yeah.
They beat them.
Yes,
and they force
yes,
them.
that's right. You beat.
You're ignorant.
Your parents beat
You're
you.
ignorant.
Yes, I'm willing
My
to prove
parents
you.
never beat me about Alhamd.
When you were
Never.
little, how
Not
did you know
once.
then about
Not
Islam?
once.
How did you?
No. You made a claim.
Yeah.
Your claim is false.
Yeah.
So you're a liar.
Okay, then you
So you're a liar and a clown.
prove that. You prove.
A liar and a clown.
Read.
And I don't talk to
This is
liar and
Arabic,
clown.
ladies and gentlemen.
You're-
This is
you're-
Arabic.
You're clearly not
Read.
interested.
Read Arabic.
You're clearly not interested
Say.
to have a sincere discussion.
Oh, so you want to have, yes?
Because-
Okay then.
If you wanted to have a sincere discussion,
I want very
you
much
wouldn't
so,
say
yes.
that your parents beat you
Yes.
to read Surah Fatiha.
Yes, that's right.
When it's a false statement.
No, sir, they do that.
So you're ignorant.
They do it.
Right? That
They
doesn't-
do. In
that shows to
Islamic
me-
society,
that shows to
the
me that you're not
parents
sincere.
are obliged
That you're
to
not sincere.
force them to read, to memorize Surah Hamd. That's all. Oh, there you go. Another expert is joining.
How's everything?
Alhamdulillah, fine.
Listen.
This Iran is afraid to show his
I
face.
know.
Iran is
yeah,
afraid to
yeah.
show his face.
It's so funny.
Illiterate.
Yes.
Look at that.
Do you condemn Hezbollah?
Like a threat.
Iranian.
Man, you're not that
Hey,
ugly. You need
Iranian.
a mask.
You are illiterate too.
Iranian. Do you condemn Hamas?
Irani.
You-
Irani.
How do you know that? How do you know?
Irani.
Do you condemn? Do you condemn?
You read Quran in
Irani. No, we don't read it in Persian.
Yes.
Yeah, you read it.
I know. I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Don't waste time with this Irani.
Guys, take your microphones. I'm not going to talk to this idiot.
Defend your Quran. Ladies and gentlemen, these people would never ever can defend their Quran.
No.
In my
You're
presence.
too good. Your arguments are too good for us. Yeah.
Read it in Arabic.
You're too clever. No. I'm scared. I'm scared to debate you. I'm
Read,
scared.
sir, read.
I'm scared to debate you. Please.
Yes,
Yeah.
So what is it stopping
I'm
you?
actually really scared.
What
No.
is it stopping you?
Because I don't talk to idiots.
Yes.
I don't talk to clowns.
So you are a
And I
doctor,
don't
yes?
talk to liars.
You have degree
And
in
unfortunately,
psychology.
you're all three of them.
You have
Because
degree in
you've
psychology.
proved that with your own testimony.
Listen, you
He
are.
knows more than you. He
I
knows
know.
better than you.
Yes.
Irani psychology.
Okay, he knows that he's come
Is
to
there
help you.
is there any non-Muslims in the crowd that would like to have a discussion?
Illiterate has come to help you. You
Yes.
see how weak you are.
Everybody's illiterate.
Defend yourself.
Only you're the well-read one. You're
Yes,
the clever
of course
one.
I
Yes.
am.
Yes.
I can prove that.
So you're
to you.
delusional as well then.
Oh, what is
I've
delusion?
added one other thing now.
Define delusion.